Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a quite different video by the name of Liminal Space. This one is a quite different one. It's basically about like a building, but in the sense of nostalgia. I will be talking about that. So if you don't know what it is, well, you're about to find out the mystery of liminal space. First, warning, if you have anxiety or like are scared of these sort of things, I should tell you, go to a different video because it's a little bit nerve-wracking, touching, yeah. So just go do something else, watch a different video because it's quite weird, yeah. And here I am, about to jump in. Okay, so let's start. I have no idea that this was a thing. I found out about it like, let's say 2 terms ago, and it's super weird. It's quite fascinating, but I find it weird and fascinating at the same time. It's like mixed emotions, but it into one big thing. Like, so you can see in the picture, it's the back rooms if you know what they are, and you can just get an eerie vibe. But the emotion is basically a little bit of sadness, weirdness / scariness, nostalgia, like from your past, things that happened in your past, like places you've been, and just like other emotions. Sometimes it can be happiness since you're seeing these places, but sort of not. So let's just look at these. Look at this picture. It says the end. It's a library, abandoned library, no books in it. It's like when you're at school and it's late at night, or like you have to stay after school, and then you're going through school looking at your class. No one is there. Usually it's every student there talking with your friend, but now it's just emptiness. And it's so weird. The feeling is strange. And here's a picture about like what it basically looks like, the school. The hallway's empty. And everything's just going to be dark. Like, have you ever stayed after school for a while? And then it's just like weird. This is what liminal space is probably about. That's a good definition or example of it. But look at this picture. No one will recognize this. Only myself, because I know where I saw this. It's from a game, and it'll be quite surprising if you do guess it. That will be weird, because it's random. And like a house, because it has buildings. Since buildings were a thing, seems like it's a whole different dimension. Even though buildings were created ages and ages ago. But it's like dark. Me as a kid was scared of the darkness. Now I know why. Liminal space. And this picture, it's quite weird. This is showcasing nostalgia. And what it is, you see heaps of ducks in a bath, but it's a little too much to be realistic. But just a bath, like hopping in the bath when you're a kid. Now this is nearly the end of this. I'm just going to say thank you for watching. This is the weirdest thing I can explain. Might have a part 2, but just look at this picture now. Yep, preschool, kindy, I remember these places. But hope you like these videos, and bye, see ya.